conceptual perspective to things. People talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements.
Just wanted to stop by briefly and share a little something with you. Hopefully it may help you out. In the process of rebuilding my company, I've run into some frustrating moments because in the past, when things were at their peak, as far as business is concerned with me, things just happened. When I spoke it, when I thought it, when I came up with a concept, it simply happened. And I just, I moved. I'm talking about deals being closed, companies being launched. Things just coming together. If I decided I wanted to do something, it was done. And I'm looking at what I'm doing now, and though it's progressing, it's taking some time. And it's frustrating to me because although it's progressing, I'm used to moving at 100 miles an hour, and then I wanted to go 110, and I'm looking up now and I'm going 35, and it doesn't set well with me, and I'm trying to figure it out. But anyway, I called my mentor, the person who put me down more than 25, almost 27 years ago, and sort of talked to him about it. Hey, tell me, what is it that I'm doing? And he immediately told me. He says, you're equating your effort in chasing the dream with accomplishing the dream, and you never did that. He said you were never a person that chased anything. You were a person that attracted things and people to you. He said your confidence and your energy flowed at such a level that people just moved on your behalf. And it wasn't just people, it was the entire universe. He says, whether you call it faith, whether you call it energy, whether you call it power, whatever you want to call it, that's what flowed from you. You're spending so much time chasing stuff that you're all over the place. It's happening because you're just that knowledgeable in what you're doing. It's happening, but it's happening so slow because you are pursuing something out of a position of desperation instead of standing in your confidence and attracting something. I hope that lesson that hit me when I asked him that is also hitting you right now. Faith actually moves things. It's not a belief. It's the responsive mechanisms in your spirit, in your mind, in your psyche and emotions that responds to your belief. Hello everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in with a little special announcement. For those who have followed me for any stretch of time, outside of the businesses that I run, like Myriad Business Solutions, the Visionetics Institute, Odyssey Media Group, I also do a great deal of work inside of the inner city communities in Houston, Dallas, and other areas. I'm asking now, as we push a fundraiser, that you support what the Odyssey Project is doing in the inner cities, especially with programs like Black Men Lead, which is a rite of passage initiative, and Restoring Ghettos Forgotten Daughters, which is a program focused on helping young girls, but boys as well, suffering from childhood sexual abuse, rape, molestation, domestic abuse, absentee fatherhood, and so many other things. The information will be in the box. Thank you.
From a conceptual perspective to things. People talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements.